Look at all the beautiful little birdies. We're gonna be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. So we got some seeds. You don't want to feed them white bread, it's bad for them. Oh, they know it's coming. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, a cute little brown one. Little white one, a dove. So again, you want to give them bird feed, seeds. Organic is best. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Woo. Look up a factory farm video. Animals are abused birth to death in the egg industry. Shell to hell for eggs. Females debeaked and stuffed in tiny, cruel cages, taking over a day per egg, bred to lay so many eggs that destroys their bodies, and the male chicks are macerated or destroyed. Look up a factory farm video. One of you birdies. Hey, little cutie. Sweet little animals that we've domesticated and rely on us. I like to feed them in the cold winter months. They might need a little helping hand. And it's humans that are the overpopulated pests who have doubled in just 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Cities and public transit over suburban sprawl, roads and personal cars everywhere. Organic and vegan saves. Share if you care.